We're going to install the control box, but before I did that, I wanted to go take a look at the control box and see what we got there. That was in the #1 packing list. There's a display box with the knob for your settings, your adjustments on your printer. This has 2 screw notches to fit on here, which I think the reasoning is, which I haven't got to yet, was because probably you could relocate this easy enough with just 2 screws since another location. We have a few stepper wires here. And this one here goes to the extruder with the BL touch and all the other things going on there. There's several fans. So that's the harness for that. Let's take a look at the box, what we got here. Get the full-size SD slot, a USB, some cable management. We have 2 power connector points here with separate switches, which possibly you could run with a non-heated bed. I would imagine that was the option that they gave you another switch for. And on the bottom we don't have any particular outlets there, just the wire harnesses. So let's go mount this up in the frame and continue. So to continue on here, we have our 4 M4 40 screws, a 3mm Allen wrench, control box I'll bring over in a second, the frame. Now the looks of this, our control box is going to go into the narrower set of rails, which is this one. The extrusions are closer together, whereas on the outside they're out on the edges. So our box is going to fit right in here and use these, which you can't see. These are holes going through. So our box is going to go right here with the display facing outward. So we're back and we got the control box mounted in here, and I was quite pleased I didn't have to wrestle this control box in. It sat right against the bottom rail there, and the bolt holes lined up real nice. So it's nice when you don't have to wrestle stuff. Bolts just go right in. The next part of this video is going to be the top carriage, the XY assembly. So that's what that looks like. That's what we got. We're going to do another video for the next part, which is going to be this, which I'm assuming is going to sit right on the top here. So let me get this set up. We got the 4mm Allen wrench, M525/8, and we got our main frame all Done.